Hey everybody, Scott from Bird Be Gone. Today we're going to talk about a new product called Bird-Out. It's a product that's been designed and developed for use in outdoor areas, semi-enclosed areas, and one of those areas that's always been challenging is how to do it in a residential setting. So today we're at a home and we're going to jump into this and find out how it works. Now let's prep the surface and install the dispenser. Select an area with active airflow. Clean the surface area before installing the dispenser using an alcohol wipe. Attach the mounting strip to the back of the dispenser. Press the button at the base of the dispenser to unlock the cover. Lift the cover so it snaps into place. Remove the protective layer from the double-sided adhesive foam pad and stick the dispenser to the wall. You can also attach the dispenser to the wall using a screwdriver and screws to secure it. Use drywall anchors when needed. Next, install the Bird-Out Cartridge. To activate the cartridge, twist clockwise until you hear a click. Place the open cartridge on the base of the dispenser until it snaps. Lastly, close the cover. If covering more than 8,000 cubic feet, which is basically a 20 by 20 by 20 area, make sure to place one dispenser every 20 feet. We've seen how easy it is to use and install Bird-Out, and for best results, make sure you change the cartridge every 60 days. For more information about Bird-Out or any of our other products, visit birdbegone.com.